my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be learning a beginner Christmas line dance. So this is a 32 count 4-wall line dance with no tags, no breaks, and no restarts. So before we get into it, if you guys happen to like today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so to start this Christmas line dance off, we're going to face the back so you guys can follow along with my feet. We're going to do a Lindy to the right, which is just a step together step. And then you're going to do a ball change, bringing that left foot behind, left, right. And then you're going to do the same thing to the left, Lindy to the left, ball change with that right foot going back, and then stepping on your right foot. Or sorry, right foot goes back, and then you step on your left foot. So let's take the whole thing from the top. We do Lindy to the right, ball change, and Lindy to the left, ball change. One more time. Here we go. Ready, and Lindy to the right, ball change, and left, and ball change. Good. Next part. We're going to do a box step. So that foot that's at the back, you're going to cross it over your left foot. So your right foot's in front, left foot's behind. That left foot that's at the back, you're going to bring it back, and then bring the right foot that's in front out to the side, and then bring that left foot in. So we just finished. We did the Lindy to the right, ball change, and left, and ball change. That right foot's behind, we cross. Right, left, right, touch, left. So again, that right foot's behind, we bring it in front, right, left, right, touch, left. Taking it from the very top, here we go. Ready, and Lindy to the right, ball change, and left, and ball change. Right, left, right, left. From here, we're going to bring our feet out. We're going to go out. So jump those feet apart, and then you're going to cross your right foot in front, and then left foot behind. So it goes out, cross, and then you're going to bring your feet out again, out, and then together. So it goes out, cross, out, together. It's a little bit of a workout, so let's try it again. Ready, and out, cross, out, together. One more time. Ready, and out, cross, out, together. Okay, taking it from the very top to our right, doing that Lindy. Ready, and Lindy to the right, ball change, and left, and ball change. Cross, right, left, right, touch left, out, cross, out, together. Next part, we're going to be doing a grapevine to our right, and as we do that, we're going to make a quarter turn to our right. So we step right, left, behind, right, touch, left. So as you can see, as I was doing that grapevine, I made a quarter turn to my right. So I go right, left, behind, and turn, touch, bringing that left foot in. So again, we go right, left, behind, right, touch, left, and then you're going to do a grapevine to your left, but no turn. Left, right, behind, left, touch, right. So taking it from the quarter turn to our right, we go right, left, behind, right, touch, left, and left, right, left, touch, right. From here, last part, we're going to do a heel with the right foot, right heel, left heel, and then right toe goes back, and then left toe. Good. So it's right heel, right toe, left toe. So taking it from the turning grapevine, or should I say the quarter turn, to our right. So we go right, left, behind, right, touch, left, right, left, touch, right, and right heel, right toe, left toe. And then you'd start the dance again on the new wall. And again, like I said, there's no tags, no restarts, and no breaks. So just do the dance again on the new wall. So 3, 2, 1. So let's try the dance one more time on the wall we've been working at, and then we'll try the new wall. So here we go. Starting with that Lindy to our right. Ready, and Lindy to the right. Ball change, and left, and ball change. Box right, left, right, touch left, and out, cross, out, together. Grapevine to our right, and left, right, left touch right, and right heel, left heel, right toe, left toe. So new wall, same dance. Let's give it a try. Here we go, nice and slow. Taking it to our right with that Lindy. Ready, and Lindy to the right, ball, change, and left, and ball, change, and cross. Left, right, left, and out, cross, out, together. Grapevine, making that quarter turn, left, right, left touch right, and right heel, left heel, right toe, left toe. New wall, same dance, let's do it again. Taking the Lindy to our right, here we go. Ready, and Lindy to the right, ball, change, and left, and ball, change, cross, left, right, together, out, cross, out, together, and grapevine, making that quarter turn, left, right, left touch right, right heel, left heel, right toe, and left toe. Okay, let's do the dance one more time on the new wall. Again, new wall, same dance. Here we go. Taking it to our right. Get ready. Ready, and Lindy to the right. Ball, change, and left, and ball, change. Cross, right, left, right, together, and out. Cross, out, together, and grapevine, making that quarter turn. Left, right, left touch right, right heel, left heel, right toe, left toe. All right, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed today's new Christmas line dance. And if you guys liked today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching and dancing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Also, since we're doing the song Jingle Bells for the line dance, if you happen to have some jingle bells around your house, by all means, when you try it with music, grab it and use it with it. I know I certainly will. I have my jingle bells here that I will be trying out with music. And again, if you want to see the dance with the music and want to see me doing it with the little jingle bells, make sure to check out that link below. And if not, that's okay too. Just hope you guys have a good time. All right, thanks so much for watching.